Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. Before the pandemic, I went to Osaka in Japan and loved it. Here are the top 6 things I love about Osaka. First, Dotonbori has an awesome nightlife. The shops are amazing, food is delicious, and there is just so much to do. If you like anime, there is a really cool area in Osaka called Niipombashi. There are a lot of anime vending machines, maid cafes, cosplay clothing stores, manga shops, and more. Food is definitely something I love about Osaka. They have the most delicious and fresh taiyaki and takoyaki for sale. Their bread shops and dessert shops have a huge variety of tasty foods. Kittyland is one of my favorite stores in Osaka because they have a lot of anime items. For example, there is a huge selection of Sailor Moon items, as well as other awesome items from anime shows. The architecture in Osaka is fascinating. I wish I took more pictures of the architecture because they are unique and interesting to look at. And last but not least, the river walk in Osaka is relaxing and beautiful. So which place did you like in this video? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.